I'm Mike with Team Windy, and today we're going to be talking about the X-Fill line of helmets. Now on our mil-spec side, each of these three helmets has three distinguishing characteristics. The first one is going to be the Team Windy Rail 2.0. This rail is perfect for mounting comms, hearing protection, cameras, any Picatinny mounted rail accessory that you need. Each helmet comes with a 7-slot Picatinny rail that, for each side of the rail that you can mount anything you want to it. The second characteristic is the Wilcox shroud, and the third is the CamFit BOA retention system. In 2012 we came out with the X-Fill Carbon. The X-Fill Carbon exceeds the ACH blunt force impact protection requirement, and featuring a hybrid TPU sling liner with a very rigid carbon fiber shell, this helmet offers the most amount of blunt force impact protection in a bump helmet market today. 2013 we came out with the X-Fill LTP. LTP stands for Lightweight Tactical Polycarbonate Helmet. Again, this helmet has a machined aluminum insert which really distinguishes it in the market. This is an EN 1385 whitewater helmet, and it features our Zorbium liner. Zorbium is our patented foam liner, which comes with 6 different comfort pads for a customized fit. 2014 we came out with the X-Fill Ballistic. The X-Fill Ballistic is an NIJ 3A helmet, and it features a polyethylene matrix shell which also meets the ACH blunt force impact protection rating. The Ballistic comes with 16 different comfort pads in 2 different thicknesses. So while it only comes in 2 shell sizes, it fits all heads, and the different sizes and shapes of the comfort pads really allow the operator to customize the fit of the helmet. Moving on to our search and rescue helmets. We have 2 variants, the SAR Tactical and the SAR Backcountry. Now these helmets share their safety ratings, which is mountaineering, high performance industrial, whitewater, and the ACH blunt force impact rating. They also each come in a single size shell, but each helmet comes with 2 different sets of comfort pads, a thick and a thin, so again, customized fit for the end user. Now the major difference between these 2 helmets, the SAR Tactical is designed for use with night vision devices, and the SAR Backcountry is optimized for use with cameras and lighting devices. The SAR Tactical features the machined aluminum Wilcox shroud, and then also comes with a chin cup BOA retention system for stabilization while wearing night optics devices. Also, the SAR Tacticals come standard with side rails for mounting cameras or lights, whatever else you need to mount, including comms and hearing protection. The SAR Backcountry features a glass-filled plastic shroud insert, and also comes with a fidlock under the chin buckle. This magnetic buckle makes for simple donning and doffing. Rails on the SAR Backcountry are optional. So if you've used up your space in your shroud and you want to mount something else on it, you can go ahead and order the rail along with it. So that covers the X-Fill line of helmets. For more information on sizing and color, please visit us at teamwindy.com. Have a great day.